Good morning, friends. This is Sunday morning with cloud in the sky, and it's beautiful sound of the nature in the form of birds and wind blowing from different direction with greeneries all around. It's such an amazing place to be in. We all human beings like to be closer to the nature. We go to picnic, we go to vacations because we want to be closer to the creation of the God. So it is our responsibility that we don't destroy our nature, we don't cut trees, we don't kill animals unnecessarily, and we should live in a very beautiful world in such a way that our future generation also get the opportunity to enjoy the creation of the God. So this is my humble request. Also, I try to implement in my daily life that we don't harm the natural beauties of the world. And this is the way we can see different varieties and the diversity of the God's creations. So wherever we go, we need to cultivate the habit that we need to plant trees, we need to protect the rare animals, because human beings are the sharpest mind, they are the best creation of the God. So it is our responsibility, being human, that we preserve the creation of nature in every possible manner. So this is the campus where I'm living right now, and today it is on Sunday morning. I'm sharing the beauty of the place, the beauty of the nature, the beauty of being closer to the nature. Every time you are very close to nature, your soul, your mind get purified, and your thinking, your vision also get clearer, and you will just can focus on something more and something better. Thank you.